Hi, this is Jason, your Mazda guy, located at Darrow Mazda in Greenfield, Wisconsin, 3520 South 108th Street. Today, what we're going to be talking about is a phenomenal complimentary service that all of our Darrow dealerships offer. It's our full circle service inspection. And what that means to you, when you purchase a car, you get some oil changes. You come on in here. We don't just do an oil change and send you on your way. We want to ensure that you are fully taken care of. We want to ensure that your vehicle is going to last as long as possible. And one of the ways that we do that with our complimentary full circle service inspection, we put your car up on a lift, we take the tires off, and then what we do is we have our service tech take a video and actually do a walk around with that video. They're looking at your rotors, they're looking at your pads, they're looking at your tie rods, they're looking at all your chassis system, they're looking at your exhaust system, they're checking your manifold, they're checking for any types of leaks whatsoever. And they do this full circle service inspection video walk around all the way around the vehicle. They lift the hood, they do the video underneath the hood. But the best part, not only are they doing this video, they send this video to your phone so that you can watch it in the comfort and convenience of your own home. It's almost like you're walking around with the service tech at the same time. I have personally had this video done, and it is amazing. It really lets me know where I stand, where I sit with my Mazda. So once again, this is Jason at Darrow Mazda. Come see us. Let us take care of you. Let us provide you with a beautiful vehicle, but not just a beautiful vehicle, a beautiful service for years afterwards. Hope to see you.